One state level men's open football tournament Ngashidagi Houdokkhre Paubutek Islamic Multicultural Association na Senduna Paubutek Polo Ground Paubutek Maning Lekaida Houdokhiba Paubutek Trophy the first 7A side men's open football tournament aduda Wairukpam Samjai Singh General Secretary Protocol Manipur Pradesh Congress President Alhaj Firoz Khan Social Worker Yumnam Jamuna Devi Chairperson Thongkhong Lakshmi Municipal Council and Birendra Singh Advocate Sakir Ahmad Chairperson OBC Department Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Wahengbam Rojit Singh Chairman Sports Department Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Miraj Sahak Kori Managing Director Northeast Window TV THMV Rahul Admin Ex-Councillor Thongkhong Lakshmi Municipal Council BMMB Rochelle Ali Council Thongkhong Lakshmi Municipal Council Chesam Achoba MMW Vice President MK Azad Khan Founder Greenland Academy Paubutek TH Waris Founder Just Divine Standard School Paubutek Lamkhai Langbam Ivomcha Singh Founder The Royal Academy English School Top Sifai Hamom Sadananda Singh Singer Amadi Elangbam Buddha Singh Social Worker na Chingmana Athoiba Mitunglen Singoina Sarukyaki
Mafam asi samgat sagat pa haibasi Manipuri heritage adugo Manipuri puari amasung Manipuri napal gi saruk sing kanna bokona bagi thawdangi aduna masi lokhotphum thoi haibadu ma thamjage ani sobada hairiba khungang asi yam pikpa khungang am oijaba taragasu hairiba khungang asi dagi masigi sanabu asi dagi thokhiba sanaroi amana hairiba sanaroi du sunupi sanaroi amana Indian national team represent tawrakanda Indian national team gi sanaroi amoina hojur jisu leiribi aigi chan thongkhong mayum sayana aina aikogi media ga mari leina leibani magi information sing kuine hek thengnajaba hairiba miyoi ani legendary figure ni adu ichan jisu sunjoi choidana ngasi mak Manipur gi mai propeda natana Manipur represent tawraga India gi football gi fida da chawmphum kaliba miyoi crore chama kunthra muk leiba India da miyoi lakh kunthra khak leiba Manipur gi chanura amana adu su pikhraba khungang asi dagi thogla aga masigi sanabung asi dagi thogla aga maleng gi sanabung gi fida da Manipur gi mafhum kalibi adugumba aigi chan amasung halibungo ipai bungo Abdullah makhoi ni gi damakta ikoi lakpiriba mayam dagi khubam tang nijage masi ikoi na remind tawmina ba changi maram de sanari basi